हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम टू माय चैनल गजबी शोरी हैश द पीपल. So yes, today we are going to review one smartphone. So this is the latest smartphone which I have purchased from Flipkart during the lockdown period, means like maybe in the October. I have received this and I have ordered it in the September, somewhere in the end of the week, and I have received it in till October. So yes, so this is the box in which we received this phone. It is very amazing phone. It is Samsung Galaxy M01. See, this is the box in which we received the phone, and after opening, this is the amazing phone. Yes guys, this is a new phone which I have bought. So this is basically for my family to use. It's an Android phone. So this is very cool and amazing phone. You can see how sleek look it is, how cool it looks when you hold it. And it has, see the camera, it is not so stylish. It is generic type of phone, default to used by old people as well. It has a front rear camera over here if you are able to see, and it's so amazing phone. Let's show you the display how it looks. See, it's quite big. Whatever I have imagined, it's so good, and it is as expected. So now swipe to unlock. So these are the common features which are provided, and this is the first look of the mobile. Just open it now only. So there are few default applications which are already installed in it, which are some of the default Galaxy stores: calendar, calculator, Samsung Notes, and all that kind of Play Store and Facebook. All that things are by default installed in this, and it looks so classy. So it's not so janky panky, and it's so professional. It's giving a very professional look. And yes, you can see the functionalities which are provided when you swipe it down. So these are all the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, torch, location enability, mobile hotspot connection, do not disturb mode, dark mode, so portrait mode, whatever you want. And also brightness, see, manage the brightness is also provided here. So yes, so amazing phone. I just love this budget. So I thought that this is the latest phone actually, which is launched in June 2020. So yeah, I thought why not to review this phone so that you guys can also purchase this. And most amazing thing is that I have purchased this phone just for rupees 8,000. That is, it's for 799. So I have purchased it for 8,000 rupees Indian INR. Okay, and there are some minor discounts as depends on the card which you are using to purchase, like SBI card or Axis Bank card. So based on that, we'll get the discount. So moving ahead with this phone, we get some. Actually, this phone was in a box. I have removed it outside. This is the box in which we get the phone, and there are few warranty card, quick start guidelines, warranty card, and some other things they have attached in this, which are as of now used now. Comes with a warranty, and it for warranty there are the guidelines and rules mentioned. Your phone should be not older than that, and your phone should be in well condition, and only it is liable for exchange and warranty, and all that kind of stuff are mentioned over there. And yes, this is a charger. So this is how this box look like. So I got this charger cable in it, and this charger pin, and also there is a small pin for memory card removal, memory card insertion, SIM card insertion and removal. So basically it's a dual SIM mobile, and it's amazing guys. If you want to purchase, I'll tell you that the sale is still on. Maybe I will put the link of this phone in the description box, so whoever want to purchase, you can purchase. You can also share your review with me, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And yes, coming back to the features and technical specifications of this mobile phone. So yes, so as I said, it's a dual SIM. So one will be the main SIM and one will be the standby. And Wi-Fi direct connection is available to the Soul. Hotspot connection is available. Bluetooth 4.2 A2 DPLE and GPS, yes, with the AGPS. And radio, FM radio it supports. USB, micro USB 2.0 is given. Sensors are there like accelerometer and proximity sensors are also given. Messaging like SMS, push email and all things are already in work. Browser is HTML5. It supports HTML5. Battery type is like battery is 4000, and it's not removable battery guys. 4000 ampere something battery they have provided, and it's a non-removable battery, so you have to take care not to keep it in the charging and leave it. Maybe it is auto discharged. So yes, it is, battery is not removable. Then colors are available like black, blue and red, and mine is the black one. You can see it looks so cozy, so amazing. Colors and already mentioned. A card slot is micro SD card and dedicated slot, and one is standby. LED flashlight, it supports video 1080 pixels, and loudspeaker is there. 3.5 mm jack it supports, and CPU is octa core, and chipset is and it supports Android 10 platform. Resolution is also good. Weight is 168 grams. It's in grams, I'll be telling you now. Actually, at that time I was something, so it's 168 grams. And yeah, it was launched and announced in 2020 June 02, so it's quite latest model now. It's November. Yes, now it's November. So yeah, Android 10, One UI. So yes, 5.7 inches. Its height is 5.7 inches and 13 megapixel of camera, front camera, 3GB RAM. 3GB RAM, and yes, 4000 amperes of battery. So yes, these are all the technical specification of this phone, so making it not making it too long. So yes, this was all about my new phone which I have bought, that is Samsung Galaxy M01. So whoever likes this phone, check my description box if you want to purchase this for your friends, family, for yourself. You can always purchase this. It is quite affordable, and all the functionalities I have shown you, which is quite user friendly to use, and also gives you a professional look. You can hold it like this, so it's not too big, not too small, and not too thin. It's very amazing phone. It looks amazing when you hold it in your hands. So yes, I'm just loving this phone. I'll just be just loving this phone. Yes guys, if you want, go and purchase this phone. And keep loving. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also let me know in comment section if you have anything to discuss with me. And yes, keep liking and supporting my channel. Lots of love. Bye bye.